को हमारे तुमने तराशा, आँखों में जागी तुमसे ही आशा, इरादों के बस्ते तुमने भरे, मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जुगनू रखी, रंग छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया, कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला, टीचर शुक्रिया, टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गूंथे खोली तुमने ये खिड़कियाँ, वह काम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया, टीचर शुक्रिया, टीचर शुक्रिया।
Brahma नागरिक हिसाब से आम किसी काम करवा बोली उद्देश्य आज आम पद्धति
Goodness of this institute, I am saying, I am not so close to sir, but we have a relation of 2 years, I think, sir. 2 years or more. And I am coming here where my requirement is here. And students, the goodness of this institute is, what is your personal problem, I do not know. But very good thing is, you are maintaining a very good sense of discipline in all my classes and also now today. It's a very good thing, and you know, in many institutes this is not seen. Highly qualified students are there, very proficient students are there, but they lack a sense of discipline which you have. For that, thank you. Because without discipline you are not going to achieve anything in your life, which is the prime need. Discipline. Okay, sir has told you so many things. I will not take much time of yours, but I will say something. All of you are here only to get a job, right? Without job, we are nothing. Nowadays we are nothing. So for that, what should be done by us? What we should do in our life so that we will have at least one job in our life. And when you have a job, everybody is with you. When you have no job, your family also will not be with you. They will be against you. Your close friend will not give time to you. Even you will not receive your call. Yes. Now you may spend more and more time with your dear ones, but those dear ones will be against you because you are unemployed. So job is the prime need in this modern age. Okay, so how to get that job? Try to be different from others. You will have the job. Some students ask me, sir, I am trying a lot, but I cannot get the job. 2 years. I have spent 2 years in this preparation. Still I have no job. Many of my friends are enjoying beautiful jobs with highly paid salaries. But I don't have a job. Why? The problem lies in where? The thing is, there is some kind of problem in their preparation. They think their institute is not a good one. Their parents are not giving them good backing, good support. They are not in a good environment, or even they are not in a very good friend circle. They blame everyone. But the one thing they do not accept that they have some problem. They have some personal problem. They try to change everything, one institute to another institute. They change their friend circle. They change so many things. But the one thing they do not do, what is that? They do not try to change themselves. If you cannot change yourself, everybody will be at fault for you. You will think the whole society is at fault. I have no fault. Because I am trying my level best, but I am not getting anything. I am not getting that success which I desire in my mind. The problem is you have not got the right way. You are at the right platform. You are with a good friend circle, with a very good family. Still you cannot get that success that you want. The problem is you have to modify. You have to modify your attitude, your thought process, your preparation. Change yourself. Change yourself means important thing is time management. Time management, Abdul Kalam, Einstein, many great personalities are there. They had only 24 hours. You have only 24 hours. Nobody has 36 hours or 25 hours. only 24 hours, and that 24 hours we have to utilize what is called time management. Those who are able to manage their time according to their schedule, they are going to get success. So if you are ready to manage your time, that is up to you. According to you, according to your schedule, you have to make a very good routine, very good timetable, and work according to that. But it is not a thing that you will pursue that routine 1 day, 2 days, or 1 month. No, it needs persistent work. Persistent means every day you have to devote 4 to 5 hours, or 6 to 7 hours, or 2 hours even. But every day, not a single day will be left. You have to work. Every day is important. Every minute is important. Think that, so that you can manage your time. Try to wake up very early before everyone. When the whole world will be sleeping, you will start your work. That is important. Try to wake up at least at 3 to 4 a.m. And those who are able to do that, they have the success. You can take the example of everyone. Those who have got highly successful thing in their life, or successful job in their life, they are early risers. Early means not 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock is late for every successful man. 3 to 4 a.m. is the convenient time for everyone. Try to make that habit, and it is not done in 1 day. As you know, in 1 day we cannot do anything. It needs time. You cannot change all your habits in 1 day. So, in order to cultivate one habit, it will take some time. Take that time, you have the time. But don't think that in one attempt, I will get the success, I will get the job. And if you cannot get that job, I will give up that platform. No. Don't be a coward. Don't accept that you are a failure. You are not a failure. You have failed in one attempt. One attempt is not enough. You have to climb step after step. In one attempt you have failed, but there are many other attempts. Oh, the attempts are not same, but they are similar. Similar attempts are with